If you're working and building something new or trying to enter a new market, you can't afford to guess. You need fast and focused discovery that leads to action. But what's usually happening is that research stalls or drags on, insights don't get used and don't lead to decisions, and everyone is unsure about what build to next. If this sounds familiar, our 4-week program, Mastering Product Discovery, might be for you. We designed a program for mid to senior level product managers, product designers, and growth folks who want to change their game in product discovery. You will learn how to cut through the noise, validate faster, and turn discovery into real results. You will leave with a proven workflow, tools to test assumptions faster, and a way to align your stakeholders around what matters the most. If you want to make product discovery your superpower, this cohort is for you. You can apply now. See you there.